The NCR chapter of real estate developers body CREDAI has taken a decision to ban the procurement of cement from Ultratech and Lafarge, stating that these two cement majors have unilaterally increased cement prices over the last 1 month. Over 200 members of CREDAI NCR have agreed to implement this ban with immediate effect. The ban is spread over Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, Yamuna Expressway, Faridabad, Nimrana, Bhiwadi and other adjoining areas. We have CREDAI's National Vice President, Rohit Raj Modi, to comment on this decision. Rohit, thank you so much for joining us. Rohit, what is CREDAI alleging here? Are you saying that these cement manufacturers are artificially hiking prices?
Vasudha, if we were to look at the facts, on 1st of August, the price for OPC 43 grade cement was 200 rupees a bag in NCR, give and take 5 rupees plus or minus depending upon the quantity of order. And price as it stands today is over 300 rupees a bag. CREDAI wants to know what has triggered for a 50% increase in an essential commodity for infrastructure over the last 45 days. We have information that the cement companies have deliberately cut down production to artificially inflate the price. And it is something which is not very new. If we go back about 18 months, there was a case filed by Builders Association of India, which is a body of the construction contracting companies in India. And they went to CCI against some of the cement companies. And there is a judgment from CCI which has found the behavior of some of the cement companies as a cartel-like behavior and has penalized them over 6,600 crores. And there is a cease and desist order against the cement companies. But despite that, they have pursued their tactics of artificially inflating the prices. So yes, CREDAI is alleging that in a market where the infrastructure activities is fairly subdued and the global markets are also very slow, what has triggered the dramatic price increase? Especially of the cost of cutting down production. Why have they cut down production? There are figures from excise which clearly shows that the productions have been cut down. And it's not only the two companies of Ultratech and Lafarge. Most of the cement companies are part of this. And CREDAI, in its today's discussion with its member developers, is going to extend this on Shri Cement as well, because Shri Cement and Ultratech put together constitute the largest supplier of cement in NCR.
Okay, so you're going to extend your ban to even Shri Cement. Are deliveries going to be hit in NCR?
Well, we are exploring various other options because the cement companies cannot hold the construction activity to ransom by indiscriminate pricing. If you were to investigate their balance sheets of March 15, you will see that they were still making very healthy profits. If you were to look at the June quarter results, still the profit figures were over 20-25%. So when already at a 200 rupee a bag, these were the kind of figures, then where is the need to bump up the price to unrealistic level, especially when the country requires huge amount of cement for all the infrastructure activity, when the Prime Minister is talking about housing for all, 100 smart cities, the highways works are expanding on all the side. If we will have this kind of continued behavior by the cement industry, it is against the national interest. And we are not only talking about banning some of the brands versus the others. CREDAI is going to take this forward. We are filing this complaint against these companies and their listed stock exchanges as well as in the global headquarters in case of multinational companies.
Are you planning to approach the Fair Trade Regulator, the CCI?
Yes, we are approaching CCI in reference to their existing order of cease and desist against 4 cement companies where they found their behavior cartel-like, and they have imposed a huge penalty on them based on certain percentage of their turnover. This order was for 2013.
Okay. So what kind of response are you expecting from other cement majors now with this ban? Your national president did say that if this doesn't work, we'll go for a national strike if that's what it takes. To what extent are you willing to go to?
Well, we are willing to take it to its logical conclusion. As our national president spoke about this earlier, our chapters in southern India, western India and the eastern part of India are also keenly watching this, and they have also suffered through this indiscriminate rapid increase in cement prices being done from the sake of profiteering, and soon this would be followed by the other regions as well.
Rohit, do you think this could be done in anticipation of the festive period that's coming in? A lot of developers want to deliver their stock by then.
No, it has got nothing to do with that, because the cement consumption is not linked to an imminent delivery. You know, we consume cement during our structure stage mostly. So it's not really related to an imminent delivery at all. It is because it has been chosen to do it now, because this price hike has been, we've been watching it from August 1st to now. In 45 days, it's gone up by 50%, which is completely unprecedented in last maybe 2 decades in NCR.
Okay, Rohit, thank you so much for those inputs. A 50% increase in the last 45 days, 300 rupees per bag of cement. That's the tussle between CREDAI and cement majors today. Rohit, thank you so much.